What's up, guys? Today is November the 6th on a Wednesday. It is a rainy day today. It's not raining yet, as you can see, but it's starting to drizzle. So I am out here in the Loganville, Georgia area. Now, this is a unique situation. I came out here about 4 or 5 months ago and I gave a consultation on the same property, but it was a different homeowner. I thought he was moving in, but obviously I guess he was moving out. I don't know. But anyway, I gave him a quote. He never got it done. He actually paid for the consultation, which is $75, but he never came through with it. So the new homeowner, the wife, she reached out to me last week. She set up a consultation. Her husband, I met her husband actually yesterday, and I had one opening for this week, because one of my jobs that I had this week, she had to reschedule because she's getting work done in her house, but they're not done. So she had to reschedule. So I did have an opening for today. So they took advantage of that opening. So show you guys what I'm going to be doing. It's a little bit over 1,200 square feet. It's going to be a nice screen and recoat. So let me flip this around. And also my assistant Tavares, he had to handle some personal business, but he's going to meet me here at the house. So let me show you guys what I'm doing today. All right, guys, so I'm actually out here in Loganville, Georgia, which is not far from Lawrenceville, which is where I reside from. I actually went and did a consultation this morning in Decula, Georgia, that went very well. So let me show you guys these floors. This is going to be a great project. I'm going to really bring these floors back to life. And they watched some of my, and the wife, she said, yeah, Courtney, I called you because I saw your videos. So anyway, guys, you can see we got some red oak floors where they are just, man, the floors is just bare. So I'm going to screen these floors really, really good, get a great abrasion. Going to get 2 coats of nice premium finish on this floor. See all right here, guys? I'm actually going to bring in some of my lights to set up some light at the chimney to get some more light on this side, because I got plenty of light back here. So guys, what I'm going to be doing is all these wood floors here, this whole open, big open living room area. Okay, then got the foyer. We got this small hallway in between 2 bedrooms of carpet. Then we got a dining room. You can actually see the high traffic areas where they went around the rug. I mean, guys, this floor has been neglected, and it looked just like this when I came and saw it about 4 months ago. You see all around here. So again, man, this floor is really, really in need of some TLC, and we're going to get this floor looking good today. All right, guys, let me start setting up. And I got one consultation to do after this job in Beaufort, and then tomorrow we have a job in Villa Rica, which is going to be a screen and recoat with UV cure, which is a referral from one of my clients. I did her floors, and they also got a few consultations tomorrow in the Atlanta, Georgia area. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, I got a great screen on this floor. Tavares just vacuumed, clean and tack. Now I'm about to get the first coat down. And yeah, man, this floor is already looking better just with the screening. So I'm going to get the first coat down, and you guys are going to see a huge improvement in this floor. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, look how much better these floors look now. Man, these floors came back to life. Now that is a water stain, because I remember pointing that out to the last homeowner who initially called me out. But man, these floors, I must say, guys, they look really, really, really good. And this is just the first coat. Look at that, man. Look at that. Now again, this floor is natural. It is a lot easier for me to work with natural floors because they're not stained. Sometimes you can't go too aggressive on stained floors. Now I can, but then I have to do a color correction. And sometimes I will go too aggressive on purpose if the floor is already missing a lot of stain, because I can just do a color correction and get more stain back in the floor. But man, this floor came out amazing, guys. And this is just the first coat, and the second coat always makes the floors look better. But look right there. Remember how it was just no finish on this floor? And that's all this floor was lacking, was no finish. See how much better that looks. So got the second coat ready, and on this job, if I'm not using rad coat, I'm using 2-component Aqua Pro. All right, okay. And yeah, guys, so very, very happy with the results. Hopefully my clients will be happy. And also too, I just had a lady just call. Oh, check this out. Lady just called me for just a cleaning the floor. And she's got about 2,000 square feet. And she said, she ended up calling me back. She said, I did get some cheaper quotes. And these quotes were way cheaper. But I sent her my YouTube channel link, and she just called me back about 5 minutes ago. Said, you know what, Courtney, I'm gonna go ahead and send me a proposal with your price, because I watched a few of your videos and I would rather get it done right. So that is the power of the videos. Sometimes people will get cheaper quotes, but a lot of companies don't have the reputation or the videos or the reviews to back up. And that can make a little people, some people leery, because it definitely makes me leery as a consumer. If I get a price too cheap, you know, I'm like, okay, something ain't right, and especially being in the service industry. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it. We're going to go ahead and get the second coat down. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.